you talk to them like little kids.
Oh,
You
I
got
know.
to.
Ooh, that
Come
feels
here.
good.
Come
That
here.
feels good.
Come here. Oh, you're just so precious. You're so precious. Yes, you are. Oh, you're just so jealous, Judy. Jealous, Judy. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
you just want somebody to love you too.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
like, I got
No,
a
no,
good
no
love
biting.
too.
No biting. I know you're teasing, but you can't be biting. No, no. Yeah. Oh, if my dog was here, y'all would be just going crazy now. Because my dog would just be sitting there. I don't know what he'd be doing. Give me that sugar. Give me that sugar. Oh, goodness. You slobber.
Yeah, she is.
Slobber. Oh.
Junebug.
You love me, don't you, Junebug?
Junebug.
You just love me.
Don't you jump, Junie, Junie.
Hey, don't get on her face.
That shows how much she loves me.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah.
That's how big she is.
See, it's been a while since I seen Aunt Anita. Yes, it has. Yeah. Ooh.
See when that great dane's around. You see when that great
Can I
dane's
take
around.
you home
Oh,
with
I
my
bet.
little boy? Huh? Would you
Junie,
like to be with
Junie.
my little boy?
come here. Don't be a jealous girl.
Cute.
Don't be a jealous girl.
You are so cute.
Don't be a jealous girl.
Mm.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Come here.
Yeah, I was over at my mom's house yesterday and went back home, and their dog, Cameron, oh God, he was smelling me up and down. I said, yeah,
Oh my God,
you
she's
smell
like
the other dog.
He's like, he's biting him in the back.
Oh,
Does he get too rough?
oh.
Yeah, this
He's
guy
got him on his
Uh,
leg.
Judy, you be a good girl.